Hi, I'm Dee. Today we're making beef roast home style. Let's cook. When you're mincing the garlic, do it really fine so that when you're mincing it, it's easy to do that and it'll also dissolve into the meat much better. Same thing with the ginger. Slice the ginger really fine. As you know, even in my previous videos, I don't like to keep my meat pieces very large. So over here as well, I've made the large slices of beef a little bit smaller so that they cook more evenly and right through. Squish the tomatoes as you put them in because this will bring out their flavor, and then they tend to cook nicely and they don't stay whole. They get kind of squishy, which is what you want. You might wonder why I put sugar, but a little pinch of sugar actually brings out the flavor of meat as well as vegetable. It's a secret weapon, I think, for most of us. reason I put it into a large frying pan is just so that it's easier to dry it up, because being beef roast, I need it nice and dry to the end, and using a larger pan which is flat spreads it out, and then the water evaporates that much faster. I pre-boiled this potato and then cut it up and put it into the roast. You could even just slice it and put it in when you're cooking the roast with the cover on. Either way, it's a lovely thing to add because it absorbs all the fantastic flavor of the roast. This is what you're aiming for, a nice, dry, glossy beef roast. And there you have it, beef roast homestyle. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. See ya!